Automate beta user invitation with n8n, AI personalized, verified, log 8 core nodes. What's up, builders? Today we're shipping a production-ready beta invite system fully automated with n8n, AI personalization, email verification, and clean logging. Let's build this live step by step. Ever collected beta signups and then never got around to inviting them properly? Today we fix that. When someone signs up, our workflow will verify their email, write a personalized invite with AI, send the email, log it in Airtable, and alert the team in Slack, all in seconds. No manual spreadsheet, no missed user. Let's roll it. We are keeping it core only, zero optional fluff. Webcher capture the signup, set standardized files, HTTP verify email deliverability, OpenAI craft a tailor invite, subject plus body plus eligibility. If roots only eligible user to invite, email send the invite, Airtable logs what we sent, and Slack notifies the team. All essential. Step 1. The webhook. Capture the signups. Create webhook beta invite input. Let's open it. The path will be the beta invite, and the JSON will be like this, the JSON output. The name, the email, the use case, and the cohort. An example of cohort can be the founders. Run once to see the payload in n8n. Green light, move on. Why? Reliable trigger, any platform that can hit a URL can feed your pipeline. Step 2. Set, normalize, and keep only what matter. Add set clean beta data. Enable keep only set. Map the name, JSON name, the email, JSON email, the use case, JSON use case, the cohort, JSON cohort, and the timestamp that is now. Why? Downstream nodes receive consistent, tidy fields. It prevents brittle prompts and bad logs. Next step will be the step 3. Add HTTP request verify email. Point it to your verification API. Method is get. The URL is this, API email checker.io verify. That don't send invites to risky undeliverable addresses. Saves sender reputation and keeps your beta clean. Step 4 is the OpenAI write a tailored invite and decide the eligibility. Add an OpenAI compose invite. The prompt is this. Let's make it. Okay, you are a friendly SaaS product marketer. Input JSON. Name, JSON name, email, JSON email, use case, JSON use case, cohort, JSON cohort, deliverable, JSON deliverable. Output a compact JSON with keys, invite subject, short, specific, invite body, 3 to 5 short lines, include use case. Eligibility or eligible or hold, only eligible if deliverable is true. Keep it plain text, no markdown, no extra keys. Why? Because AI personalizes, copy, and makes a deterministic decision with the verification context. You get invite subject, invite body, and eligibility in one go. Step 5. If node. Add an if eligible condition, JSON eligibility equals to eligible. Why? Core controls the gate. Only eligible user get emails, but we still log the attempts and notify the team appropriately. Okay. Next, the email. Send a beta invite. Under the true branch, add email, send invite. From your beta alias to JSON email. The subject is the JSON invite subject and the text will be like this. Hi, JSON name, JSON invite body and the team. One clean automated email, no templates to juggle. AI handles personalization. Next step, Airtable. Log every invite. After the email node, add Airtable log invite. Upsert, insert. Columns will want the name, the email, the use case, the cohort, the invite subject, invite body, the eligibility, and the timestamp. Why? Because it's centralized record of who got invited, when, and with what message. Perfect for auditing and follow-ups. Next node is the Slack. Notify the team. Finally, Slack notify team for eligible path. Let's open it. In the channel, it's beta invites and the text. Beta invite sent. JSON name, JSON email, cohort, JSON cohort, subject, JSON invite subject, and JSON timestamp. And from the hold path, from the if false, we send this. The text is this: invite on hold, verification failed, JSON name, JSON email, cohort, JSON cohort, use case, JSON use case, and JSON timestamp. Instantly visibility. Product plus support know exactly who got in and who needs manual review. Now let's see all the workflow. Okay. Send to test payloads. Let's run it. First, valid deliverable. Watch the true path AI copy email Airtable Slack, and non-deliverable. Watch the false path Slack on hold. You'll literally see the data move through each node. That's the dopamine hit of automation. You now have a production-grade beta invite system. Verified user only, AI personalized messaging, clean logs, and team awareness in Slack. No optional fluff, just 8 core nodes doing serious work. If you're into AI automation and n8n, hit the subscribe. We build like this every day. Let's go. Bye bye.